Once upon a time in the city of Milwaukee, there was a man obsessed with polo shoes.
Wait a minute, mother!
In the summer with a bang, Saturday, October 9th from 11 to 5, you want to be at the biggest car show of the year, the 3rd Annual Customer Appreciation Car Show, presented by Players Choice. All happening at Church Mason Temple, 6090 North 35th Street, that's 6090 North 35th Street.
And you know David City going ham?
It's a $25 entry fee to have your shot at the 19 top prizes. Free to spectate.
Paradise TV will be filming the action for the upcoming DVD. So bring your game face, cause it's game on.
All day long. All day long.
All the way up. Now let them know.
Whip game. Paradise TV.